Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to how to cook great food. On the menu today, chicken in a cream sauce. Very, very easy. We've got onions, garlic, Parmesan cheese. I'm using chicken thighs. You could be using something different. I've got some bell peppers, cream, of course. Delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here then. So, chicken. Now, my chicken is chicken thigh. The bone is in, but the skin is off. Now, if the skin was on, it wouldn't matter, or if you're using chicken breast, same. It's not really going to matter. Onion, bell peppers that I've cut really nice and small, garlic chopped, dried oregano. I've got some Parmesan cheese we're going to grate in later, and cream. Now, I get loads and loads of messages every time I use cream. This is a thick cooking cream. It doesn't really matter what cream you use. If you use a thin cream or a thick cream, it's going to work out just the same. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, let's get started on this. So I've got some olive oil in there. You could be using a different oil if you want. And we're simply gonna just now put in our chicken. Like I said, I'm using chicken thigh, which is a darker meat. The bone is in there, the skin is off. You could be using a different part of the chicken if you want. Medium heat. About 3 or 4 minutes on each side. Get it on the way, get it started, then we'll add some more ingredients. Okay, so we've got a nice bit of colour on them, they're on their way. Now I'm going to chop in our onion. I'm using red onion and I've sliced it. You can use a different colour onion if you wanted. Now, got some garlic, chopped garlic in, that goes. Get some salt in there. Some black pepper. And staying on this medium heat, fairly lively. We're going to go for about another 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, looking good. Next up, I'm going to chop in those bell peppers. Now, if you don't like or fancy using bell peppers, you can be putting some mushrooms in here or something like that right now. If you wanted a few chopped black or green olives, would also be nice in this. Okay, I'm going to go for another 3 or 4 minutes on this medium-ish heat, moving it all the time. We're nearly there. Smelling good, looking good. It's going to be super tasty, this one. Okay, that dried herb, I'm using oregano. You could be using basil, rosemary, thyme, tarragon, anything you like really. In that goes. We've done a mix. Next up, we're going to add our cream, and like I said at the beginning, I always get loads and loads and loads of questions about the cream. You can use any cream you want, a runny, thin cream, or a thick cream like I'm going to use. In she goes. I'm lowering the heat now, not to a simmer, just above a simmer. Keep mixing this in. It's going to thin out. That's why it doesn't matter if you use a thick or a thin one. About 3 or 4 minutes on this lowish heat. Wonderful. Look at that, fantastic. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's get in some lovely Parmesan cheese. With the heat off, let's mix that in. You're done. Check that for salt and pepper. You might want to add a bit more. I'm going to be good. If you fancied like some chopped parsley in this or some chopped fresh basil, that would be good. But yeah, there you go, nice and easy, super simple, very tasty chicken cream sauce. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, say hello, we like to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.